What up, YouTube? This is PJ, Mechanic of God. I would like to thank you for everything, guys. Thank you for sharing, thank you for like, thank you for all those comments, guys. Today we have a 2016 Acura MDX, guys. 2016 Acura MDX. I'm about to work on, guys. As you can see here, it needs the fender, door, front door, and the rear door, driver's side. As you can see, the damage on the door, and both doors got to be changed on the fender as well. So I'll bring you the video to show you guys before and after, guys. Before and after. It's a 2016 Acura MDX. 2016 Acura MDX. Driver's side. As we can see here. So when you have those kind of problems on your car, you don't have to change the whole quarter panel. That's the total power. You don't have to change that, guys. I'm just gonna pull this and bring it out and put some bundle on it, and it's ready to go, guys. This is 2016 Acura MDX, guys. Before and after. Before and after, guys. I already removed that rear door, and I'm about to remove the fender first. After that, I can remove the driver's side door. Okay, guys, stay with me. Before and after. Okay, guys, as you can see, I removed the fender, which is here. You can tell this one is crooked. That means I have to pull this side out, and here I have to pull this out, and here all the way here. So that's a quarter panel. I have to pull it out, guys. And that little bracket, I have to, fix it up, put it straight. And after that, I have to, apply a bundle on it, and paint this thing, because the door already the same color as the car. They both the same color, guys. So before and after, guys. Before and after. Get up the chain here. I'll make a hole, and I hook it up right there, so I can pull this one here. So with the hole that I make with the drill, I make a hole with a drill. So when I'm done with this, and I'm done pulling this thing out, I will go ahead and grinding it and put fiberglass on it. We don't put fiberglass on that hole. After that, I put body filler on it. I will put body filler on it, so that way it will be strong. So whenever that you close the door, anything like it will be strong, so it won't crack. It won't do those kind of stuff. All right, guys. Okay, guys. So just grinding this quarter panel. That quarter panel, guys, I'm gonna put fiberglass in it, so I can give the shape that I need here, because you cannot do this with bundle. You have to apply fiberglass, because that's a hard panel, so you have to use the fiberglass to this thing. Okay, guys, I'm gonna give all those shape here, because this shape come out here this way, like this one here, and this shape have to be straight. So that's why I'm gonna apply the fiberglass. All right, guys. So guys, I applied the fiberglass, because you cannot put bundle on this just like that. You have to do the quarter panel with fiberglass. I'm not done yet. I have a second to apply on it. So I did the fiberglass first. After that, I put you know, the bundle body filler on it. Okay, guys. This is PJ, Mechanic of God. 2016 Acura MDX. I just pulled this, so now I'm doing the fiber on it. Okay. So you have to apply fiber on this thing. So next time I'm gonna grind it and do a second. I'm gonna apply a second coat on it, so that way I can get it hard, fill up with the foam, and that's it. The quarter panel, which is this down here. As you can see here, I fixed the quarter panel, guys. I put it out, put 2 doors